What is up, guys? My name is Taylor. If you're new here, today I'm taking you through my summer night routine. I do have some productive habits that I like to do, but I also still like to relax after a long day, so I'm just going to keep it real. I also want to point out that I'm kind of a weird mix between a morning and night person, where I like to stay up really late, but then I also still want to wake up really early. If I'm being honest, it doesn't really work that well, so I do want to improve some things in my night routine, and I also want to share this quote that I really love that kind of goes along with this. So the quote is, "You're allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress simultaneously," and I just freaking love that because it is so true. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now, but I really hope you guys enjoy my summer night routine, and let's just get into it. So starting off the night, we are gonna make some dinner, of course. I do cook at home most nights, and I love finding my recipes on Pinterest. Just recently tried one out that was so good that I want to make it again because I still have the ingredients. So we're gonna be making these zucchini boats. They are so good. They're like a healthier pizza, and my boyfriend even liked them, so don't even say anything about the zucchini. This is a very simple recipe. You just want to start by cutting some zucchini in half the long way. Then you're going to want to take a spoon and scrape out all the insides and seeds of the zucchini. It is a little gross, I'm not going to lie, but I promise it'll turn out really good. Also, a little tip if you don't like cooking that much is to put on your favorite show or a movie while you're doing it, because it just makes it so much more enjoyable. Now for the final step, we're just gonna add our pizza toppings. I first started off with some marinara. So I just did some onion and black olives, and then I added some garlic powder just for a little extra flavor. And then I decided to go with some pepperoni. You could also use ground turkey. That would be really good with this recipe too. Or you could even make this a veggie pizza if you wanted.
Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder.
Currently posted up on the couch here. I'm about to watch an episode or two of The Vampire Diaries. I am fully obsessed with it. This is my third time watching it. Should I probably have restarted it? Maybe not. But, you know, I can't resist it. It is the best show ever. But you tell me, what's your favorite Netflix show? Let me know in the comments right now. And as you can see, I changed into some pajamas for the night. Just a graphic tee and some booty shorts. This is my bedtime uniform. Nothing too fancy. Obviously not literally this outfit every night, but you get the gist. I don't own any fancy pajamas, sadly. I feel like those people really have their lives together. So props to you if you have them. And I have a healthy snack to munch on while I watch. Just some popcorn from Trader Joe's. It's super good. So I'm going to eat this and enjoy Vampire Diaries.
Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life.
Alright, it's time for the best part of the night, which is washing off all my makeup. I just feel so much better with everything off. I don't wear makeup every day, but regardless, I will still do my skincare routine. I just think it's really important to take care of your skin. So I first like to go in with a makeup wipe and just get off as much makeup as possible. Next, I like to wash my face with my Ride or Die cleanser. I have yet to find one that I like as much as this one. It just works super well. Plus, it smells amazing and it has little exfoliating beads in it, which I really like. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with this cleanser. Then I'll use this witch hazel toner on a cotton pad just to get off any extra makeup that didn't come off from the cleanser. And it also helps even out your skin tone. But to be honest, it doesn't smell that great, but it definitely does the job. The next product that I go in with is the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil. I swear I always think my skin looks better the morning after I use this. It just adds a lot of moisture to your skin and also helps smooth out fine lines, so I've been really loving this. We are almost to the end. Now we're gonna go in with some eye cream, and if you guys have any recommendations for eye cream for me, I would love to hear them because I can never find an eye cream that freaking works. So definitely don't forget to moisturize your lips. I always go in with some Aquaphor before bed. This is a recent addition to my skincare routine and I've actually been really liking it. It basically just helps define your jaw more. So now is the part of my night where I take 10 to 15 minutes to clean up my kitchen and just anything lying around my apartment because I just absolutely love waking up to a clean space. It is so motivating and it just puts me in a really good mood right away in the morning, just seeing how clean it is. So I really do try my best to do this every single night.
Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?
As you guys just saw, I just brushed the pearly whites, but not really because I honestly drink too much coffee. But I did floss and use some mouthwash afterwards. I'm really into dental care. Very important to take care of your teeth. So now that that is all taken care of, I am going to get in some reading. I do typically like to read like 10 pages or a chapter of whatever book I'm reading. And I'm actually starting a new one tonight. It Ends With Us. It's like a romance book, but I'm actually gonna do a July book haul in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I can't speak. Reading is something I've really gotten into this year and I would highly recommend picking up this habit because it just feels so good to read and get off your phone and just dive into another world. As cheesy as that sounds, it really is amazing. Plus you gain a lot of new perspectives from reading, so I just think it is very important. So that is what I'm going to do. Every night before bed, I always write out a quick to-do list just so I know what my main priorities are for tomorrow. Just feel like a to-do list helps me be so much more productive. And I love getting a cute notepad for this because I just feel like it makes it a little more fun to write on and use. I love my baby. Alright, I am exhausted, but we have finally made it to the end of my night routine. The final thing that I like to do before I go to bed is A, cuddle with Ari, of course, and B, we fall asleep watching Joshua Wiseman's cooking videos. If you haven't seen his videos, then you are really missing out. He's like my favorite person ever. I would die if I met him, and I would die if I could ever taste his food. I'm fully aware that falling asleep watching TV is probably not the best way to get a good night's sleep. You should probably go to bed reading, but do I ever change that? No, because I just like to hang out with Ari and that's just what we like to do. So yeah, sometimes we actually do go to bed reading, but on a rare occasion, okay? But yeah, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. Like, I do have a good routine for the most part. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps support my channel, so I would greatly appreciate it. Arm is about to break from holding this camera, so I'm gonna say good night, and I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you in my next video. Bye.